Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? My name is Shelimar Williams. In this video I do product review, wear test, vlog, and some tutorial. If these are videos that you are interested in, keep watching. So Merit sent me some products and this is what it came in, a little makeup bag, and I really love it. So you can hold a lot of products in it and you can just tie it. Really good for traveling, and this is free. And the product that I'll be trying out today from this brand is the Cheek Color, and what it is actually a blush, and that's what it looks like. I chose the raspberry. I think this color will really play up well on my complexion, and that's what the packaging look like. Really love it, really nice. And also I tried a lipstick from them. This is in the Tiger color, and that's what it looks like, the packaging. Really nice and classy. And that is the shade, a real neutral. Nothing loud. So this brand goal basically is to provide clean, comfortable makeup that you cannot mess up. Their model is less is more. They want to make makeup so simple that if you are beginner friendly or you are someone that do not really care for a lot of makeup and you want to get that natural glow or a natural skin or just a natural look, then this brand will really play right there in that line. You can find these products at Sephora, or you could go to merit.com in order to buy these products. They also are vegan and cruelty-free. So if you are really particular about having cruelty-free brand and also vegan product on your skin, which is there's no chemical in it, then again, this is a very clean line. So let's get right into the face. And I'm not going to talk through the video. I'm just going to do the foundation. And then when I come back to put it on the blush and the lipstick, then we'll talk about that. All right, so keep watching.
I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision, I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I'ma go out, I'ma dance now, raise a glass to being alone. You can stop me, you can reach me, cause I'm too high to fuck on. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you.
So the blush that I got is the Raspberry Barrett. And again, this product is from Merit. And that's what it looks like. Now the instruction on this blush is for you to wipe it on your cheek like this, but I'm not going to do that again because I have a full face and I do not want to shift anything. I'm going to use my Dome brush, and this is what I normally use for my blush, and I'm just going to swipe it on the product like that. And again, that is what it looks like. This product is going to blend in my skin, and it's not going to look like it sits on there. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. You guys can see it right there. So it's going to go like, do you see that? So it's going to give you a natural glow.
I don't need I don't need you.
And it's buildable. So if you're not a person that wants your blush to stand out as loud as some other blushes does, this is a beautiful one. It goes beneath the skin and just give you that glow and just the amount of highlight that you need. So let's finish the next side.
I don't need you.
And I like to pull my blush up.
I don't need you. Yeah. I need a new.
Wow. So it just gives you that glow, a sheen. When you're wearing this, I don't think you need an highlighter. If you pull it up that way, you would not need to highlight. I really love this. Again, I would not just go ahead and put it on my skin without using a brush. You guys see that? Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I would definitely purchase this, especially for those natural days. Yeah, I love that. Beautiful, beautiful. So I already lined my lips, so I'm gonna go in now with the lipstick, and this one is in the Tiger, and it's like a nude lipstick. Hopefully it show up on my lip because my lip is pretty dark. It's more like a lip balm to me. The color is not showing up on my lip, but it really moisturizes the lips. So if you're looking, like if you put on a lipstick, which I'm going to put on a lipstick and then put that on top of it, it's gonna give it that nice moisture. I love this. So you don't even have to do anything else. You could just drop this in your bag and go. So although it has a color or it has a shade to it, my lips are too dark, but that's what it will show up as. But you will not see it on my lip again because of the darkness of my lip. I'm gonna put on a lipstick and then just basically put that on top.
I don't need you. Yeah. I'ma go out, I'ma dance now, raise a glass to being alone.
My lips are so moist right now. Every time that I try a product that is so moist, I always think they have something to do with shea butter. I'll turn my light down so you guys can see how much the blush stands out. That's with my light now turned down, and you guys can see that it gives it this glow. And it's glowing and it's still giving me that bronze look. Do y'all see that? But natural is like within the skin. And again, I really love this line because of what it stands for. There are about clean, vegan, cruelty-free products. So nothing to damage your skin. Nothing that you have to worry about. So I will definitely leave my link. I have an affiliate link that I'll leave in the description. Make sure you guys click on that link if you want to try out this line. And again, it's very beginner friendly. Or if you're someone who like a natural makeup, that is really good for your skin. Click on my link in the description and purchase or check out the website and see all the products. I have a screen rolling here of all the other products that they have on the website. So make sure you guys check out this line. It's really good. I love the blush and I love the lip gloss with the color tint in it. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and spending the morning with me. I'm about to spray out my face and we'll be up out of here. Bye, guys.
Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't